Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy and paste the signals in a correct way. It's because I know most guys do all the copy signals wrongly. So in this video I'm going to show you guys the tutorial how you go about it. So let's switch to demo account. Let's go to demo. So this is our demo right here. So what you need to know is that you should know the pairs and the volatility of that pairs. How volatile are they? How do they react? So that is one thing that you should be having in your mind. So like here, I'm going to go to Telegram and I copy someone's signal, then we try it out here how it works. So this is GBP USD. Let's look for another pair here. So this is gold and it is trending down. That's 15 minutes time frame. So let's just go to Telegram and we copy someone that has given signal. Let's see this guy here. All right, here he had given GBP USD. GBP USD, this is the British pound and the US dollar. So he told the guys to buy, and you are seeing VIP smoke traders. So what we shall do is to just copy this, to copy the TP. TP is the stop, is the take profit, and SL is the stop loss. So we shall just need to copy all that and we go and paste there. So firstly you need to know how to paste. Now let's say you are given GBP USD, this is it. So you just tap on it. Upon tapping, if you tap here, you'll see trade, chart, details, statistics, delete and cancel. So what you will choose is to just trade. Choose trade if you are copying the signals and you want to paste or you want to trade that same signal. So you just tap on trade. So upon tapping on trade, you'll see all this. You'll see up here market execution. So what does this mean? This is a direct buy. This is for you to buy directly. Then we have other options also. You just open this folder down here. So you'll see buy limit, sell limit, buy stop. So I made a video about this, about the buy limit, all the market buying orders, or the buying orders of the market. So you will see all this. So what we shall just choose is market execution here. So we shall just go for direct buys. So up here you will see stop loss, and this is the space for stop loss. Take profit, this is the space for take profit. As you see, take profit is green, stop loss is red in color. So what you will do now is to just remove all this. You remove all this, you go back to Telegram where it was given. So you'll see it is our take profit is 133,400. So you just go to take profit 133,400. So this is our take profit. Then you go back again and copy the stop loss. Stop loss is 132,400. 1.32400. Another thing you need to know is your lot size. How much are you willing to risk on this signal? So that is what you should know. If they had said buy, you buy. If it was sell, you sell. So our signal is saying buy, so you will just tap on buy. You see what is happening here. We bought, and this is the signal that we copied. This is the signal that we have copied. So let's just wait for it to play out, and we see if all he gave his people is correct. Yes, we are trying this on a demo account. This is demo account. So we told guys to buy, and our time frame is 15 minutes. So let's check on 1 hour. We see how it is playing out. So our 1 hour candlestick is about to change to bullish candlestick. So we shall just wait for a closure, or we wait for it to pull back up or to push back up. So that is what we shall just wait. So for you to copy signals, you need to know the correct lot size to use. You need to copy the correct numbers that you are given, or the correct signal that you are given. I guess it's in profits now. All right, still in a drawdown. So you just need to copy the right one. If they had said buy with this price, you buy with the price like that. So see you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, please subscribe to the channel. Let's hit 2200. That is our goal. Subscribe to the channel, like the video and share if it was helpful. See you guys in the next.
A few moments
So
later.
finally, this is how the signal that we tested is playing out. This is how it is playing out right now. Here is it. So please kindly subscribe to my channel, subscribe, like the video and share. So this is the pair, GBP/USD 1 minute time frame. Let's go to 15. We see, so 15 minutes we are seeing this. Our TP is right here. We are targeting $5. The stop loss is $4. So let's go subscribe to the